And as far as, obviously none of these court cases are typical. They're all extraordinary in their own way, for better or worse. But as far as a typical court case goes, we hear rumors that sometimes detainees are brought in the middle of the night to have the judge deliver the verdict, or that in the middle of delivering remarks, somebody will come up and hand the judge a piece of paper, and the judge will say, well, okay, never mind, I have the verdict. So what is it actually like to be in a courtroom in Bahrain and to try to practice law in Bahrain?
Practicing law in Bahrain, especially for human rights lawyers, become very difficult since 2010, when there were a major crackdown just before the revolution started. No lawyer can feel free representing political detainees, and moreover, any kind of a procedure where he will implement on behalf of political detainees, it will not work. Moreover, the lawyers themselves suffer a lot inside court, especially that the courts now and the judges allowed freely any policeman inside court to control even your movement, even when you talk, even when you interfere, even if you try to challenge the judge about a decision, he will stop you. Sometimes he will grab you to take you out of the court. And this situation means that typical cases is there. You are right when you said that these rumors or this news which comes from Bahrain, if we say typical cases, it means that most Bahrainis have been charged by one way or another during these 4 years for inciting the hatred to the regime, or illegal gathering, or participating in rallies, or a member of a terror cell, or let us say a member of a group who attack police in the rallies. And if you go and read these charges sheet, the evidence against the defendant, you will see that all of them are typical, in a way that the interrogation is typical, the evidence is typical, and mainly coerced confession, and again the persistence of torture, the night raids, the kamikado confinement during a piece of sometimes 3 weeks or even 45 days till you appear next time in the court, and the unfair trial where, as I told you, no solid evidence, no true witness, and no court will listen to the defense witnesses, and if he listened to them, he will believe any testimony which came from anonymous person, and to throw any testimony from the defense lawyer. And mainly the convention is there. Mainly the most political detainees will be convicted, whether they committed the crimes which they have charge of or no. Whether